Hey guys, so welcome to today's Vlogmas. I'm going to be doing a bit of an arty one today, and I'm going to be drawing on a candle. And normally I do this with a different pen and everything, but I was trying to make the best of what I had and it went a little bit pear-shaped, but hope you guys enjoy it anyway.
Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child.
So normally guys, this would not be like this, but I don't have any of the pens I had before, and so it's kind of very difficult to do. The normal candles I get as well are better than these ones. You attempt to give me yellow beak, but again, very difficult. The pen takes away the other pen. Went a bit wrong, but it's Vlogmas, so it doesn't have to be perfect.
Jesus Lord.